Do you remember the first time you ever chased a squirrel? I sure do. I wasted a lot of time chasing them. Then one day, when I was sniffing up the wrong tree, I noticed how the big dogs did it. You see, they never ever chase squirrels. Squirrels are possibly the fastest thing on earth, paws down. Some can even use those loose flaps of skin under their arms to fly. Oh, it's so gross. I think I just threw up in my mouth. Chickens can't even fly. Squirrels are tricky too. They bob and weave and bob, and it's hard to tell what they're gonna do next. Heck, even they don't know what they're gonna do next. I'm not sure that I've actually ever seen one standing still. I heard that some lucky dog caught one in 1973, but that could be just one of them their urban myths. All I know is that by the time I see them, they're nothing more than a brown blur with a twitching, fluffy tail. The big dogs realize this and don't give chase. Instead, they wait for the squirrels to come to them, which they will do eventually because, well, they're all nuts. Investing should be the same way. Wait for the opportunities to come to you and then pounce. Never ever chase a squirrel. Woof! Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and maybe even like this video if you're so inclined. Who's a good human? You are. Woof!